Well, hello there. Welcome to the mess that I must address. Yes, I'm talking about my makeup vanity. We're gonna come into my closet for a little bit. That's where I have the situación that needs addressing. Do you have a makeup vanity that needs a little sprucing up, a little purging, a little cleaning, getting rid of stuff? I do. And I'm gonna bring you along so that you can see what I have. I'm not gonna do any like purging with the drawers and things like that, but the top of my vanity, that really needs to be addressed because it is very stressful. I don't like the way it looks. It looks like a hodgepodge mess, and maybe to some they're like, Cookie, that looks fine to me.
Not for me. I can't function like that. I can't.
Hi Sugar Cookies, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle, and you're watching a lifestyle channel. I decorated my closet kind of like with an atelier kind of feel to it, not necessarily Parisian or French, more like European, a little boutique, if you will, with all the things. This is my most girliest space. This is my space. It's my happy space. However, how happy can I be when things look cluttered,
Dusty, musty.
Let's just get this done.
Don't judge me.
I'm sorry if the camera's a little shaky, but it's a little tight in here, and I have my tripod in here, but oh my goodness, maneuvering this thing around is a little tight. Just a little quick view of what my closet looks like. I definitely need to purge again. So the area that I'm going to be clearing is the top of that, and I have makeup and other things and storage in there, and I love that desk. It is old, it is thrifted. I love the chippiness of it. It just lends to that old world feel. All I did was change out the knobs. And then I have this chair right here, which is really comfortable. It's just a regular slip chair. I have a rolling chair as well that I swap out in here, but I like this super big scarf that my girlfriend bought for me, and it just goes with the theme of the room, of this closet. And I have that mural that I'm going to frame out. I'm going to be doing some things to this closet here, so stay tuned as to what I'm going to do. I don't want to lose the aesthetic of an atelier feel in my closet. And then I have this area right there. Oh, how nice and classy. Get out of there. Tons of cups. Okay, and this is what I use to drink water. Why? Because it holds a lot of water. Nope, I'm not getting a Stanley cup. Bah. So then I have this area right here that also has makeup, and I don't think I'm going to be touching that today, but it's just to give you an idea what my closet looks like and what I'm working with. And I need to have organization. I don't like having things spread out like this. I need to have this over here somewhere. So this is where I have my foundations and skincare and things, and I don't know if I'm going to be doing the drawers or not. This is the makeup drawer that I pull from to get ready. Even though I have this bag here, this is what I use basically on the daily to get ready. Yeah, I have a bunch of stuff in there as well. I put my brushes here. I have some skincare in here. I'm not going to do a full tour of everything, but just so you get some ideas of what I've got to do. Oh my gosh, that mirror is so dirty. I can't believe that I'm showing you all of this. But this is life. Did I mention that this was a lifestyle channel? And this is part of my life. Living la vida loca. This particular vanity mirror does mount on the wall, but I have it perched on these boxes right here. Or I shouldn't say boxes, but on these makeup drawers right here. So I need to get that done. And then this right here, get out of there. Don't judge me. This is a faux marble tile that I got at Lowe's, and I got it because I was trying to keep this area somewhat clean, just to give you some ideas. So let's get to cleaning this because it is a mess, and I cannot work like this. Sorry for the lighting, but that's what I have. And Isn't that a beautiful light? My daughter gave me that for Mother's Day a few years ago. But yeah, what I would like to do is frame out this mural right here. And I'm going to bring it up, frame it. I've got plans for this closet. Definitely going to change out this railing system that I
despise. I loathe.
Yeah, and then on this side, I have my dresses and things as well, and shoes and whatnot. And I did this so that I can close this off when I want to, and everything goes away. I used to film in here, but it gets very hot. You see? That's what I did. Okay, let's get back to her. What? You don't have one of these? Honey, save the money that you're gonna spend on a Stanley and get you one of these. I'm just saying. Yes, I know it's tacky-licious, but it's what I have and it works. Oh my gosh, let me get going on this because this is overwhelming. There's so much dust. I mean, look at this. I could probably write my name on here. Don't judge me. Oh, now a billion bajillion things wanna fall, wanna fall, wanna fall, 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 fall. Get rid of that. Well, not rid of it, but put this over here. Whew, that was hard work. I need a sip of my coffee. What? A girl's gotta have a coffee. You know what? I realized that this is too high up. There we go. I'm in frame better. This is what I don't like. I don't like having tons of little things out and about. I need to have things corralled. Look, you see what I mean? Yeah, no, we know. That stresses me out. Take all of this out. Yeah. It's gonna be a minute. Get your coffee. As you notice, I'm in a different outfit. I had to stop recording yesterday because sometimes life is lifing. I had an emergency. I had to drop everything and go to the hospital. Everything is fine. Everything is good. Thank you, Jesus. But, you know, like I said, life is lifing. And we got to do what we got to do. I started clearing out here. This is so dusty. I'm showing you things in my life. Did I mention that this is a lifestyle channel? Because this is part of my life. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to clean it. It's good content. I think that other people can get inspired. Do you like watching videos of organization and cleaning and purging and things like that? Because I do. It inspires me. It gets me going. You know, and I like to see what, you know, what people have, what kind of goodies they're using. I get inspired with organizing ideas, where they get the stuff, you know, all the things. So let me get going. I have to finish clearing all of this out. Then I'm going to dust. I'm just going to use 2 items here. This is not sponsored, but this is what I'm going to be using to clean the glass. It's a solid wood desk, so I'm going to be using the Thomasville lemon oil and a nice microfiber cloth for that. I don't know if I'm gonna put back this tapestry, this leopard tapestry. I may have to, let me see. Maybe I'll wash it, put it back. I don't know. We'll see. I've been up since very early, so if I don't sound like I have too much energy, it's because I don't. Anyway, let's get to doing this. In theory, this was a good idea. I got this from the Dollar Tree, but do you see what happens? Some of the brushes keep shoving out this way. It's very stressful at times, and ain't nobody got time for that. So I have to find a better solution. Oh, I found these at Marshall's. I bought these a while ago and I forgot where I put them. Do you see what I'm talking about? Being disorganized. It's no good. Okay, let me show you. They are by Oasis Home, a spinning organizer with 7 compartments. I paid $4.99. Focus camera and let me be great. There we go. $4.99 at Marshall's. And I like the emerald color. It kind of lends to that Art Deco feel, aesthetic, vibe, whatever you want to call it. And I figured I could put my brushes in here. I might even be able to put eyeliners and lip liners in this one. Let's see what I do. Let's see what I do. Anyway, now you know where I got it. Go find you some. This little tower situation that I have here, I got this at TJmaxx. I love it. I have my skincare, well, part of my skincare in here that I use on the daily. And then I have foundations and BB creams and CC creams and things like that on here. So where did I get this? $9.99 at TJmaxx. These are current. I still see them. Go get you one. And when you go over there, tell them Cookie sent you. TJmaxx. I'm available. These ring lights and box light are kind of hot. Well, not kind of, they are hot. And then I have the top light on. You can see my box light in the mirror over there, along with all the other smudging and doit. It's very hot. Okay. Let me finish clearing this out and I'll get back to you. I don't think you need to watch me clearing all this out, right? That can be a little boring. Oh, look, I'm done. It's already looking better. I had this on top of those boxes to elevate it, and I'm thinking that I might not have to do that. I think I'm liking it this way, and I might remove that mirror from the back there. So this mirror has a couple of settings. It has this one, which is nice and warm. Then we have this one, which is a little cooler. Oh, I kind of like this one better. Not as blinding. Blinded by the light. I found these. These were hidden behind here. Disorganization. Then we have this setting. Again, I think it has 3 settings. And then it has the, what is it? I guess to make it stronger. And then it has this magnifying mirror as well. It's a good mirror and I like it. You can also mount it on the wall. Let's turn this off, disconnect it. And it also has a USB port on the side where you can charge. Let me just show you, it's a little heavy. Let me show you. Do you see right there, up here? It has a USB so that you can charge your phone, which is, you know, a really great idea. But let me get this out of here. I don't know. Should I keep that mirror there? I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, onwards with the cleaning. Sugar cookies. These are the things that happen when you're awake since 3:50 a.m. I am so sorry that I forgot to press record while I was cleaning and doing all the things. I realized that some people don't like to watch people cleaning, but I do realize that some people do like to watch cleaning videos. It's a little bit of, I don't know, maybe therapeutic for some. I know that I enjoy watching cleaning videos and decluttering and purging and all the things. But anyway, I really like the space that these little organizers provide. Not bad for $4.99. Go get you one at Marshall's. Go get it and tell them that Cookie sent you. I have my lip liners, my eyeliners, my mascaras in the middle as I'm getting ready to show you there. They fit beautifully and I still have room to grow. Love that. Absolutely love that. Now, if you could please help me and give me some ideas how I can get rid of the sticker that is on there without scratching it up. I was able to take the price tag off, but this particular sticker, oh, that thing is stuck on there really, really hard. Please give me some ideas how I can remove that. I'd appreciate that very much. Love that piece. Just love it. These organizers are really nice. I am really enjoying so far the organizational space that this is providing. It corrals everything. Now, oh my gosh, this sticker is really, it's really stressing me out. I know you can't see it when you turn it towards the back, but I know it's there. I got issues. As I mentioned before, comment below and let me know of a way that is non-abrasive to remove that sticker off of there, because I don't want to ruin it. It's a really nice piece, and these were the last two that I saw at my Marshalls. Oh, this is how I like to see my space. It's not necessarily a minimalist space by any stretch of the imagination, but it is organized. I've purged, I've thrown away a couple of things, and this is just the top portion of my makeup vanity, not necessarily the drawers or anything like that, and I'm happy with the way things turned out. I may even remove those two Apothacary jars that I have, that one right there, and the other one, that one has lip toppers, and the other Apothacary jar has lip glosses. I may put that on the drawer stand that I have there. Who knows? But I'm happy with the way this space turned out. It just feels nice and clear. Everything is corralled. Everything is in one space. I don't like having my stuff spread all over the place. That's just me. I tend not to function well that way. I love the way these things spin. So nice and so easy. Now, if I could just get them stickers removed, I would be a happy camper. Yes, I love the way this is looking. The aesthetic is up to par with my standard, and all is right with the world again. What do you think of my space? Not too bad, huh? I got it clean, it got done, and I still have more to go. So I'm going to be documenting this, so you're going to want to stay tuned. If you like this kind of content, you like this video, you found some value in it, I'll chuckle, a laugh or two, smash that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Turn your notification bell on, you know, the ding 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 dong bell, and select all.
This way YouTube lets you know of all my videos.
Donate a thumbs up. This way it tells the algorithm that you like my videos, that you like this kind of content, and it pushes me out there to the masses. And share the video. It's for free 99. And as I say around here, be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next lifestyle moment. Ooh, these lights are so hot. Sugar cookies, welcome back. Shut it up. I can do this. I can do this. Whoa. Don't fall down.
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.